Elephant and Giraffe's Peaceful Moment. Giraffe's elegant neck create a dance of serenity and strength. Here, a majestic elephant flaps its ears in delight, savoring the cool rain, while a graceful giraffe stretches high to nibble on fresh leaves. Amid this, the elephant and giraffe stand, perfectly at home, their quiet movements blending into the rhythm of the misty rain. The landscape bursts with life, lush green grass, tall trees, and scattered bushes. As the rain creates a gentle mist, this awe-inspiring duo brings life to the wild. It's a moment that reminds us of the quiet power of the natural world. Be part of this journey into nature's heart. Like, share, and follow for more uplifting wildlife moments that transport you to a world of wonder. Let's celebrate the beauty of nature, one story at a time.